Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will make an exciting classic cocktail for you. The fabulous Rum Punch. The Rum Punch is beautifully concocted with dark rum and 5 exciting ingredients. I hope you will like this recipe. I will use a Colin glass for this cocktail. Now I will fill the glass with fresh ice cubes. Always use fresh ice cubes, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly, and increases the life of the cocktail. I will pour 1½ ounces of dark rum. You can use any of your favorite dark rum for this recipe. One ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is less sour, and thinner than lemon juice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can easily prepare it by mixing equal parts of sugar and water. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. 1 ounce of orange juice. 1/4 ounce of grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate-flavored syrup, and generally used to give color. Now I will shake all the ingredients without ice, and pour. This technique is known as mix method in mixology terminology. If you want to know more about mixology technique, please write to me in the comment section. I will be happy if you enjoy this cocktail with your friends, and share your experience with me. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Now I will garnish this cocktail with a gorgeous dehydrated orange slice. The classic Rum Punch is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like this recipe. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.